George, what's something you wish, more people knew about in the maintenance and reliability industry?
Business. And I say that for a huge reason. A lot of folks that are in maintenance and reliability, even if they started out as technicians, but eventually become the maintenance manager, they've gotten no formal training how to supervise somebody when they became the supervisor. They got no formal training in how to create a budget and became the maintenance manager. They don't understand business, and they don't understand business value, and they don't understand that you're going to learn about effectiveness and efficiency as two entities of what you do as a manager. And they don't get that education. And so what happens is we go to the engineering meetings and we say, this thing's a piece of crap. And as maintenance people, we know emphatically it's a piece of crap.
Yeah.
But we're sitting in a room full of bean counters and engineers, and we're bringing an opinion. So it doesn't matter what it is. And it's not their fault that we don't get the money. It's ours, because we're not speaking the right language. So my biggest advice is to start reading up on business, start reading up on how budgets are put together. Understand that you are now, as maintenance and reliability professionals, part of the organization. Mm-hmm. We are treated as the stepchild, or however you want to term that, for a reason, because we don't fit in. And we add value, but we don't know how to articulate it. We don't know how to justify it. We don't know how to develop an ROI. We've got to have much more training on the business aspects of our industry in order for us to be able to truly provide value.